Good morning. All right, back at the hangar for more action. We only got 2 of us here, myself and one of our new volunteers. Showing him the ropes here. We got a couple of task list items. So one of the plans moving forward on the F-4 is the next thing we want to do is the gear swing so we could re-rig the right main landing gear door. So that fits properly. So we're not going to jack the airplane up this weekend because we don't have enough of us here to do it. But we're gonna get the jacks set out, ready to go for that. And I'm gonna check the air pressure in that right main to see where it sits. We filled it before the air show, put 265 PSI in it. And we'll see if it's either holding air or if it's bleeding down. If it's bleeding down, that wheel's got to come off, which if it's up on jacks anyway, just makes that even easier. Also moving forward on the slower weekend days coming up, like if we don't have a lot of crew here, I've been asked to focus a little more on the ground servicing equipment, like the tugs, like this one. Probably this winter we're going to drop the transmission out of this one because the reverse on it is almost non-existent. Another one of our tugs that I'm going to be working on real soon. That's the one that doesn't stop but is rated to pull aircraft, so I got to get that thing running too. Just a myriad of stuff plus oil changes and whatnot. But yeah, on the slower weekends my focus will be more on the tugs and ground support equipment. So let me go get the tire gauge and we'll look at this. All right. Take this off. So far it's looking, I mean it looks all right. Alright, so we're going to make sure that it is holding air. So we'll set that there. Let's see. Hang on, I'll keep that still for you guys, but I think I saw about 230 or so, so. Yeah, about 235, so it's lost 30 PSI in the preceding week. I'll do that one more time. Yeah, about 235. So it's kind of warm today. I don't think it's any colder than it was last week. So I have a feeling this one's got a little bit of a leak. So I have a feeling we're going to take this tire off. So get that taken care of. All right, ready? All right. Okay. Handle facing out. Let me get this. Fingers good? Yep, all good. All right. Alright, so this one's set into place.
Yep.
There we go. Alright, now we just gotta do this twice more.
Alright.
Sweet.
This is it right here?
Yep, that's the jack pad part. And get the wheels squared. Yep. Good. Straight in. I think you got enough room to get the...
Might be alright, yep.
Yep.
There we go.
There we go.
You might want to go a little your way.
Right.
Right there.
More. That's the nice thing about these. They kind of help self-center themselves, but you got to get it square to start with. There we go.
Perfect.
All right, this one is set.
And a lot easier than the other one.
Yep. Now we do the nose gear.
All right.
All right, now we got the third jack set in place, so I think we can go to lunch now.
Can we go to lunch?
Yeah. No, you kind of got to stay there and support the aircraft.
I kind of want to go to lunch.
Okay, let's go get the real jack. Just gotta watch this antenna.
Yep.
Where is that one?
Yep, just like that. And then this. Oh. Ready?
Yeah. Figure it out. Figure out hold it so just go watch your fingers.
Bradley, if you want to straighten this up as I go up.
Yeah, you're good, you're good.
we'll do a final positioning next week when everybody's here. I don't feel pressure yet.
It's set.
It's set?
Yeah. We're set. Do it one or two more times.
There we go. Yay.
Well, it's still, well, it's shit on the fucking
Yeah.
The catchers are gonna move regardless.
Yeah, and I know one of the steps we got to do is as it comes down, we got to make sure it's even on the pads. Because sometimes you'll end up with one that doesn't compress quite right, and then you got to reset it. So awesome, that's all three.
Is that it for the day?
Just about, and then just general tidy up in here. But cool. Oh, Phantom Bite.
Phantom Bite.
That's number 7. I got it. Congrats, you're lucky, number 7. That's the 7th Phantom Bite that we've ever caught on camera.
Oh, there you go. No,
So,
I got the.
I will have the little dinger that ding.
Yeah, I did the A4 with the entire gear door whenever I was helping out with the Creative Collective, and I was moving something around with the tow bar, and I stood up, back of my head on the corner of that gear door, and I just fell over.
Yeah, those auxiliary air doors in the back are particularly nasty. I think you've hit one of those before.
I hit those, yeah.
I've run my spine down one of those. So has my son. But yeah, running joke I got is the Phantom Bite tally, and you're number 7.
There you go.
Nice. And yes, I've whacked that antenna too once. But awesome. There's the jacks. So we're set for that. All right, let's move on. All right, everybody. We got all the jacks set in place, ready to lift for next week when we have more of the crew here. So that's about all we got this week. Thank you all for watching. We'll catch you next time.